Live. Hey, everybody. I'm back. I'm back early. I figured I'd kick in now because, we just got the interest rate news out of the Fed. They did what they said they were going to do, 3/4 of a point raise. The market jumped a little bit, but not a lot. And, the old adage, it's called sell on the news. And, I wouldn't be surprised if we drop 500 points on the day today. I would not be surprised if we give up 800 points right from here over the next, hour and 40 minutes, and drop 500 points. I'm guessing. We'll see. I have no reason to be optimistic about the stock market right now, just because the Fed did raise rates 3/4 of a point and said really nothing much else. They did not say, that's it, we're not going to raise rates anymore. They did not say, oh, everything's fine now. Inflation we think we can knock inflation down from here. They didn't say that. And inflation reports that keep coming out are nasty. They're not good news reports that are coming out on inflation. So I think we're going to go higher on the rates. Maybe not 3/4 every month, but it wouldn't surprise me for 0.5 percentage point increase for maybe a month or two, and then couple more 1/4 point runs, and now we're up another full percentage point or 1.5 as we reach 5.5% on the Fed's fund rate, which puts prime rates at about 8%, puts mortgages at 10 to 11%. Exactly, that is what we're talking about. I do not feel good about how this market is looking right now, and I would not be surprised if now over the next few days, the market begins a give back of some of these gains we've had the last few weeks. We're still up 186 on the Dow, but we were up over 300 plus points on the initial reaction to this whole thing. But we didn't jump 500 or 1,000. It wasn't there. And there is no big time thing here happening. It's just not there. It's just not there. I think it's sell on the news time, cash in your chips time, take money off the table time, enjoy some of the gains lately, sit on the sidelines, let the market slump a little and get back in time. That's what I think is happening on the big market picture, the big picture. What do we got here? Amazon is down 79 cents. It was higher. Netflix is down 276. It's backed off already $1.50 from the high. Tesla was up a little higher than this. Tesla got up to 227. It's back to 223. It's giving it up. The Apple shares got up to 152. They're now back to 150.76. They're backing off. GameStop 28.29 down a dime. SoFi 5.25. HPQ got up to $28, back to 27.80. We're negative on the print here. We're red. Let's see any other big caps to look at, because that's where the power has to come from. We've got to see power coming into this market. Look at Pfizer. It's backing off. It got up to 48.16. It's now 47.71. It's falling back. It's down 27 cents on the day, and I think it's heading back to the 46 range even today. What else? Boeing is still up $8. It's had a good day all along. The shares were up to about 150.140. They got down to 147 on profit taking. They were on 149.80, went up to 152, and now we're 151.76. Topping out a bit here. I don't know if there's much more to it. Cisco's backing up. It got up to 46.19. It's 45.95 and falling back. Home Depot got up to 298.88, and now it's back to 297.16. And that too looks like it's going to fall back. IBM got up to 140.14. It's now 139.50 and backing off. Microsoft reached $230.95. It's now $228.94. $2 give back already on Microsoft. Goldman should go up with higher rates, so they took a shot higher. They were sitting around 348.50, got up to 356. Now 354.70, a little pullback there. Google got up to 91.25, now at 90.50, backing off. Adobe, another interesting stock, reached 318.80. Good old Adobe, but now 314.20. Like zip, back down it goes, and Adobe's down to $1.82, and I don't see it holding these levels. Yep, Meta down $1. What else we got going off here? Target is unchanged; it's backing off. Costco got up to 503, back to 500 now on Costco. Walmart was at 143.50. It's sitting at 143.15. Nvidia is giving up some ground, almost at 142 now, 140. $2 back there, sort of thing. Disney got up to 105.80 now, 105.20. Yeah, we're seeing some pullbacks. We're still up 229 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we're up 15 points on the S&P 500. That's it, and we're up 17.9 on NASDAQ. There is nothing going on here. We have no serious money coming into this market to chase stock right now. It's not happening, and this is screaming at me. We're about to go red. We're going to go red. Might not be today in a big way, but it's going to be an ugly day tomorrow. I just do not see the happiness from this Fed funds thing. Now, are we not waiting for Powell to speak in a little while? He's coming up, isn't he? We'll watch for that. It'll gyrate all over the place. It always does. Thank you all for being here. Options Nomads, how you doing? Number 3, welcome. Thank you for the thumbs up. Who else is here? Let's go. Number 6, Hector Salamanca is here. Aurora, number 10, is here. DQ, number 13. Alex, I'm number 6, allegedly. Lorraine is here at number 18. And then Zach says, Bank of America shot up nearly a full dollar, was holding, started to slip now. Thank goodness it's backing off. DQ, and where were you when thumbs number 6 was pressed, Alex? No alibi, shocker. Michael, I'm 16 or 17. I don't know. Uncle Beach Boy. Hey, Uncle Bruce, I'm here, buddy. Spicy 16, Hector. Alex, no problem. I'll share number 6 with anybody who wants to share. 277 is the gain on the Dow Jones. We could be in the red today. Very much in the red today. We'll see. We're down 22 cents on Amazon. And Netflix down $1.72 to $2.85. Tesla is up, down $3.43. It's at $2.24. It's backed off. Apple is up 48 centinos. GameStop is up a nickel. SoFi down 45 cents. Those are the initial and early indications here. Yeah, I do not. I think it's time to sell on the news. This is it. I think all the good news is out that could be out. The Fed did not say definitively, this is it. We're done now. This should kill inflation. They're not talking like that. They're talking about we're going to do whatever we have to do whenever we have to do it. Jamie, thank you. Good afternoon to you. Welcome back again. Alex, I was salivating while waiting for Jay Powell to use the word pain. Alex, you are a gentleman. Zach, I trust you, but I don't believe you. There you go. DQ. Alex is clearly innocent. Case dismissed. Alberto, I missed it. Did Powell call for the rug man, by the way? Ricardo, number 24, no sharing, fight to the death. No sharing. Oh, man. You want 6? You want 6? Fight until one of you is dead. There you go. Have a nice day. But not here, somewhere else. Oh my. I don't know. I just don't see the market having, a rip-roaring run here. Now, we'll say this much, okay? We have to hold off before we condemn the market going lower or not. Powell still has to have his press conference, and he'll have that in the next 5 minutes. I think it starts in 5 minutes. So, he'll speak for 10 minutes and put everyone to sleep, and then he'll answer some questions. And the market will react to every little thing. If he touches his glasses on this side, we're going up. We're going down. Well, I don't know what the hell that means. We'll see what's going on. The market wants to go higher. Well, let me say this, actually. The market doesn't want to go higher. The participants in the market want the market to go higher. All the gamblers out there want the market to go higher. The problem that the gamblers have is that they need other gamblers to be buyers more than the other gamblers want to be sellers. Now, if everyone is sitting there trying to take profits, then everyone's a seller, you see. If everyone feels that the market is a bargain, then everyone's a buyer. And we're up like 280 points right now on the Dow. We're better, but are we really that much better? So, yeah, here we go. Ricardo, DQ to the death. Lorraine, Uncle Bruce, I give you permission to close early since you started early so you can get your rest for the night. Well, thank you very much. Alberto, laughing. Alex, did anyone know that Jay Powell's middle name is Ior? This is a true story, Ior. Gary Powell is going to look directly into the camera and just scream for 35 seconds, and he's going to leave. Ooh. DQ in William Shatner cadence. Why can't we all just get along? Alberto, DQ, I'm laughing, man. I'm laughing here. Well, we'll see how this all works out, kids. 294 gain on the Dow. We're down 20 on Amazon, down $1.39 on Netflix. We're down 278 on Tesla. Apple's up 37 cents. GameStop is up 7 cents. Down 45 on SoFi. Yeah, the hike has been announced. That's out. 3/4 of a rate point. That's announced. It's announced. It was expected. It was announced. It's no big deal. That's fine. It's now what happens now. What are you going to do after this? They're looking for hints of easing, hints of moderation, hints of accommodating the market forces, hints that we feel we've done enough to fight inflation now. They're not going to get that because they haven't done enough to fight inflation. It's going to take a year to know if inflation has been defeated, not a minute or an hour or a week. It's going to take a year. We're going to be around a while. We're going to get to 10% mortgage rates. We're going to see the housing market get crushed nationally. We're going to see people get evicted. We're going to see people turn into renters. We're going to see carnage in the car business as $40,000 and $50,000 cars now cost 12% to finance. We're going to see crap, and it's going to be a whole year of crap coming up, and it's all embedded into the inflation rate. Is what the market doesn't want to talk about. UCAN says, I remember when you were the AMC guru. Yeah. I want that as my ringtone. Michael, not Hayden. Coyote, do they expect Powell to contradict their report? DQ, Jesus, Hayden Powell. Jerome, hell yeah, Powell. Bobby, you'll all see crap and be happy about crap. We're up 347 points. The market wants to go higher. It would really like to go higher. Who's going to make it go higher? I don't see the Federal Reserve buying stocks. I don't see any Bank of Japan buying shares. I don't see the Bank of England, the Bank of Canada buying stocks. So I don't. The only people who can buy the stocks are investors. You better have a good reason to want to pay more in a sinking economy. I can't understand why you'd want to be long high PE multiple stocks. Don't see the upside to this story. We'll see what's going on. Interesting. Netflix only down 35 cents. It's coming back up a bit. Tesla down to 157. Amazon up 22 cents. We're up 354 on the Dow. Apple up $1.04. GameStop holding a 21-cent gain. And SoFi down 40 cents at the moment. HPQ up 15 cents. Rocket Lab down 8. Moderna up 5. ME up 16. Matterport down 6. ATIP down a half a penny. Smart Rent down 1.5. Spire down 7 cents. Cyxtera 254 down 4. AMC and Ape are combined up 2 cents. Bed Bath Beyond down 5.5. Pfizer down 22 to 47.79. Boeing up 9.97. Cisco up 68. Home Depot up $3. Carvana down 22 cents. Robinhood up 8. Vanik up 462. IBM up 162. Microsoft up 253. Goldman up 710. Google up 39 cents. Adobe up 55 cents at the moment. This is what's going on with this whole thingy. Option Nomad Tangler. Bruce, we sent you a donation for a meeting this weekend. We got it. We're on. We're done. I've let the man know. DQ, Powell just said that's no recession. It's a space station, and drop the mic. There you go. Oh my. That's going to be so much fun. It's just going to be so much fun. Let's see if this market has any legs to it. I don't think so. I just don't really think so. Yeah. What the latest? Here's a headline: What the latest Federal Reserve interest rate increase means for your holiday spending plans? Quote: It's not the time to overspend. That's a recession. It's not the time to overspend. Okay. Well, we'll watch. We're up 269 on the Dow now. We're falling back again. A little computer cell program seems to be kicking in right now on the Dow Jones Industrials. Interesting. Watching this market closely. We're negative on Amazon and Netflix and Tesla. Apple up just 8 cents. GameStop is down. SoFi down 45. All right. See what's going on here, guys. We'll see what's going on. Right now, I got internet problems. I've got internet issues. Oh my gosh. Banking on ongoing increases. This old surfer, Jay Powell, just started talking. There we go. He just started talking. Okay. Well, let's see how the markets do as he talks. I'm showing a 294 gain on the Dow Jones at the moment. Up 19 on S&P and we're up 36 on NASDAQ. Third of 1% on NASDAQ increase, 0.4 on S&P and 0.8 on the Dow. So the Dow is outdoing everybody else, but the other indexes are not following along here. That's kind of what's going on. Powell says U.S. economy has slowed significantly. Has slowed significantly from last year's pace. Well, we all know that. But unemployment has not come off, and Americans just quit 4 million plus jobs last month to find new jobs. They're getting big fat raises. That's not going to help your inflation fight. So I don't know what to make of all that. Amazon down 46, Netflix down 183, Tesla down 255, Apple up 54 cents, GameStop up just a nickel now, only up a penny. That's it for GameStop, 1 penny, and SoFi down 43 cents. That is what's going on there. The Dow holding a 319 gain at the moment. We'll see what is happening, folks. What is happening? Let's see what they say over here. Do that and take a look over there. I'm just going to check out some other stuff here. He is speaking, says Coyote, Trump 2024. There you go. There he goes. Powell says indicators point to a modest growth in the fourth quarter. Labor market remains extremely tight. That's right. There are no employees available to fill the positions. And with the U.S. Immigration policy at 0, it's going to stay that way because a whole bunch of Americans are just not available to work anymore. They're not available for those jobs that are open right now. Isn't that something? We've got job gains robust, wage growth still elevated. That's called inflation. Yes, 313-point gain on the Dow right now. The U.S. Treasury's the 2-year to is 4.4%. The 10-year is 3.98 right now. Yep, we'll watch for him. He's just reading his speech. It's nothing. This is the speech that was released already. Everybody knows this speech that is in the bond business. They all know it. They're not listening to this guy right now. They're not listening to the speech. They're waiting for the Q&A. That's what they're waiting for. Zach is going zing. Yeah, there you go. We're up 313 on the Dow, 42 cents lower on Amazon, 192 lower on Netflix, Tesla down 270, Apple holding a 51-cent gain, GameStop is up 4 cents. And Powell says labor market is out of balance. Price pressures remain evident across goods and services, says Powell. That's bad. That's bad. When it remains evident across goods and services, that means interest rates are going to go higher and not lower. So this market better wake up. We're now up 397. It wants to go higher. It wants to go, but it hasn't got a reason to, but it wants to go. Karen 2024. Isn't that the same thing? Karen 2024, Trump 2024? Yikes. Long-term inflation expectations appear well anchored. Fed acutely aware that high inflation poses hardship. Yeah. We know that. We know that. He's still reading and still reading. 6 minutes into his little spiel. Or so it goes. Stonk. Go Bills. How about that? There you go. 377 gain on the Dow at the moment. Well, we'll see how this works. Yeah. Watching to see if this market is acting for real or Memorex. What is really happening out there? Take a look over here. Still showing a 28.18 last trade on GameStop. The Dow is now backing off. It's up 133. I think that's accurate. I'm not 100% sure now. Negative 28 on NASDAQ. Now we're up 200 again on the Dow, and we're up 7 on NASDAQ. We're really getting goofy numbers coming across right now, okay? Powell sees ongoing increases in interest rates. That came out a few moments ago. We will take into account cumulative tightening. We'll take into account accumulative tightening. I don't know what that means. I know what tightening is. I know what easing is, but I'm not sure what they're talking about. We're up 162 on the Dow, 133 on the Dow, 114 on the Dow. Down it goes. Amazon down $1.30. Netflix down $4.40. Tesla down $5.09. Apple down $1.50. GameStop down $40. SoFi down $53. I know what this means. Prices are going lower right now. That's what I see happening right here. Oil holding a 142 gain right now. Dow up only 34 points. The Dow up 9 points. The Dow is about to go red. From what I can tell you, and now I see it up 110. We got computer programs, we got speculation going on, we have got shenanigans everywhere. We're down 46 on NASDAQ, down a point on S&P. The Dow seems to show a 30-point drop right now. It seems to be showing a 30-point drop right now. Amazon down 176, Netflix down 591. Questions are coming off the floor now. Let's see what's going to happen. Ultimate rate level higher than previously expected, says Powell. That means higher rates are coming that they thought would be the rates. The rates are going to be higher than they thought they were going to be. From what I can tell, what I can sense, we're up now 36 on the Dow at this moment. We will stay the course until the job is done, says Powell. That's bad news for the markets. We're down 75 on the NASDAQ, down 16 on S&P, down a point on the Dow. We're negative again. Netflix, the 281, down 560. Tesla down 593, down to 221. Apple down 139, just went red. GameStop down 33. SoFi is off. HPQ down 23. Pfizer down 55 cents and falling. Cisco up only 9 cents, coming back. Home Depot was only up 14, falling back. Just kind of figured it. 149 lower on Microsoft. IBM only up 48 cents. Goldman is only up 420. We're backing off. We're negative 80 on Google. Adobe down 510 again to 310.92. We are dropping all over the place. Meta down 170. We've got Costco down 230 a share. Disney down 130 a share. We have red. The Dow now 110 to the good. Here come the gyrations. This is going to be fun, isn't it? Down 15 on S&P, down 68 on NASDAQ. Powell, I need to see inflation coming down decisively, he says. We're not seeing that yet. I don't think we are either. 117-point gain or a 29-point gain, depending on which device you believe is more accurate right now. Man, oh man, we are gyrating everywhere. Watching financial conditions tightening, ECO impact, says Powell. That's the European Central Operating Committee over there, the ECB, watching what's happening in Europe and everywhere else. He's aware of that, he says. Of course he is. It's his job. We're up 96 on the Dow, down 4 on S&P, down 59 on the NASDAQ. At the moment, still negative on Netflix, 450, down 130 on Amazon, down 459 on Tesla. Apple down 67 cents. GameStop down a quarter. All righty. Watching financial conditions, he says. All right. US dollar is down from its highs, but not as far as it was. The dollar seems to be coming back just a little bit. We've got GameStop 28.13 right now, down 26 cents. We got the Dow up 80, I think. Can't be more accurate than that. I think it's up 80 points. Now I think it's up 186. So you want to tell me what's doing? Yeah. What a wacky market. I think it's time to sell on the news. I think this market's going to go lower. That's just my personal gut on this. Powell says the ultimate level of interest rates in this cycle is very uncertain. There he is. Even he doesn't know. He does not know what interest rates are going to be going forward. He's going to react to the statistics of inflation. That's his game plan. He is not setting anything up in his mind. He hasn't predetermined any interest rates. He's reacting to the numbers, and he will react as they come in. I can tell you that inflation is not really going down. It is getting worse, not better. He says we still have a ways to go on rates. We still have a ways to go on interest rates. That means a ways to go higher, not lower on interest rates. That's what that actually means, in case anyone was curious. What does he mean when he says that? That's what he means. We'll see how that plays out with this market. I'm still showing now a 265 gain, 265 points on the Dow at the moment. More questions coming in from the reporters in the room. Everybody gets one question. That's how that game works. Slowdown pace of rates could come as soon as December, they're hoping. That's what they're hoping. I don't think we've over-tightened, says Powell. I don't think we've over-tightened. Ultimate level of interest rate cycle is very uncertain, he says. 28.25 on GameStop, down 22. I can tell you that for sure. That's for sure happening. We're positive again on S&P. Third of a point on S&P gain. NASDAQ up 0.3% right now. The Russell's still negative. What else do we got? We're negative 92 on Amazon, $2 down on Netflix, down 350 on Tesla. Apple's up 46 cents again, down 11 now on GameStop. SoFi down 52. The time to slow rate hikes may come as soon as the next meeting. Well, this is not news. This is just the same old we've been hearing for months. But, people are looking for any kind of good news. Anything, please give me a sign, a hope, anything, please. Adjust your glasses with your left hand. Adjust your glasses with your right hand. Please help us understand what's going on. We're at a 259-point gain on the Dow, I think. 133 loss on Amazon. Netflix down 323. Tesla down 473. Apple down 14. We're going red again on these stocks. These stocks are backing off. The Dow now up 278. Now it's only up 176. We're backing off again. I think we are. Well, we'll see here. NASDAQ is about to go red. So is S&P. We're about to go red on those two. It looks like to me another wave of selling coming in. Let's do it this way, Bruce. Let's do that instead of using your finger. There you go, Bruce. 28.12 down 27 on GameStop, down again. Yeah, red on NASDAQ, 9.7. The Dow up 176, and now S&P up 6. Joseph, you're in the class. Congratulations, Joe. Thank you for that donation, my friend. We'll add you to the list of classmates. Send me a private email confirming that, please, so I can get your email address for the link. 158 is the gain on the Dow now. Let's see, the S&P is up 4 points. NASDAQ down 12.5. We have some ground to cover to move interest rates higher, says Powell. The market is still holding a 135-point gain, but the GameStop is down to 28.08. Netflix down 383. Tesla down 450. Apple down 4. GameStop down 34. SoFi down 53 cents. We want the policy rate to to where real rate is positive. What does that mean? He wants the Fed funds interest rate to be higher than the inflation rate. Well, the inflation rate right now is 8% plus, and the Fed funds rate is 4%. So one has to go up, or one has to come down, or maybe there's a little bit of each going on here. Looking for positive rates all across the curve, he says. This won't be good. If he wants positive interest rates with respect to inflation, he's got to get it down to 3.5%. To keep the rates where they are. If he wants the rates to go lower, he's got to get inflation down to 2%. I don't see that happening for at least 2 years. Just don't see it happening. I also don't see inflation going down under 7. So I think the Fed funds rate's got to go to 7.5, but it's at 4. He doesn't want to say that, but that could be rough. Would you like 13% interest rates on your mortgage? Would that bring the message home to you? Yikes. 2801 on GameStop, down 38 cents. The Dow is up now 90 points. We're negative on S&P. We're negative on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is down 42 again. We're down 477 on Netflix. We're down 534 on Tesla. We're down 57 cents on Apple. We're backing off. Amazon down 143. They're all backing up. That's what seems to be going on here. He is not rallying the markets right now with his answers to these questions. Financial conditions have tightened quite a bit, he says. Yes, that's negative. That's negative talk. Plus 88 on the Dow. We're backing up. The Dow is backing up again. Netflix 281.44. Apple under 150. GameStop down 50 cents now. 27.89. We're backing up on GameStop here. All right, he's answering questions yet again. He's talking. We're up 80 points on the Dow right now. I think he's getting what he wants. He's getting a nothing burger out of this market. But I have a feeling that if we don't see really positive news coming out of this guy's yapper, the market's going to have a terrible final hour. That's just me. We're up 109 at the moment. Oh, make that 76 points. We're up 76 points at the moment. The U.S. dollar has almost recovered all its losses from the first moment the rate was announced. We're down 518 on Netflix and 532 on Tesla, and we're down 67 on Apple, going lower. 27.90 on GameStop. We're under $28 here on GameStop. 517 on SoFi. It's a bargain. Now I see the Dow showing 75 to a 100-point gain right now at the moment. S&P down 7, NASDAQ down 49 at the moment. Okay. He's saying haven't clearly identified a way to say that inflation has embedded itself. Higher short-term inflation expectations very concerning. Higher short-term inflation indications are very concerning. We just dropped here. The Dow's only up 34. Ultimate rate level higher than previously expected, he is saying. That's not good. That's not. The Dow is going to go down on that. Ultimate rate level higher than previously expected, and he doesn't like how short-term inflation indicators are looking right now. He doesn't like what he sees here. Doesn't like it. 64-point gain at the moment. Make it 47-point gain on the Dow. We're down 9 on S&P. We're down 50 on NASDAQ. We're backing off over there. Amazon down 172. Netflix down 519. Tesla down 585 on Tesla. Where Netflix now down 596. We're going worse. Apple down 118. GameStop 27.85. SoFi 516. Ultimate rate level higher than previously expected. Their interest rates are higher than they thought they'd go, and it's still not enough. I think that's what's going on. Negative on the Dow, negative 23 points now on the Dow. Don't want to fail to tighten enough, loosen too soon. So we're going down, kids. We're down 61 on the Dow now. We're down $2. $2.18 lower on Amazon, $7 on Netflix, $6.60 on Tesla, 160 lower on Apple. We're dropping across the board. 27.74 in GameStop, down 65 cents. This is not good news. Down 94 on the Dow. We're dropping again on the Dow now. Another dump. Here we go with the markets lower again. Interesting. Fully expected 147-point drop on the Dow now, 33-point drop on S&P, 131 on NASDAQ. The NASDAQ down 1.2%. Powell, it is very premature to be thinking about pausing interest rate hikes. Very premature to be thinking that. Down go the markets. Down 136 on the Dow, 33 on S&P, 144 on NASDAQ. The Amazon is approaching a $3 loss. Netflix down 840 to 278. Tesla down 850 to 219. Down they go. 275 on Apple. Down 72 on GameStop. We're down 88 on GameStop. 27.51. SoFi 512 down 61 cents. HPQ down 46 cents, taking a dump. We are going downtown, kids. Let's see here. Pfizer down 81 cents to 47.20. We got Boeing up $7. That's dropping. Cisco down 28 cents. Home Depot down 238. We've got IBM down 27 cents. Microsoft down 278. Goldman only up $1.98 now. It's backing off. Google down 133. Adobe down 7.13 now. 7.13 drop. 7.45 drop on Adobe, down to 3.08. I know somebody that's watching that stock very closely. Meta down 220. We're going lower. That's what is happening. Down 163, down 200 on the Dow. A 207 drop on the Dow. Remember, we were up 360 right after the interest rate news. We've dropped 560 points from the release of the results of the interest rate hike. We are down that much. We're down 222 on the Dow. We're down 41 in S&P, down 165 on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is triple the Dow. The Dow has to be down 500 points to match NASDAQ. NASDAQ is falling faster than the Dow is falling right now. Amazon down $3. Netflix approaching a $9 drop. Tesla $9 drop. Apple down $3. GameStop down $1 here. 27.40 or so. Dropping quick. 27. It's at the low of the day on GameStop. We're at the lows of the day on GameStop, down $1.05 now. That is what's happening as he is answering questions. Housing activity declining, he says. He admits the economy is weakening. He doesn't like how the job market is doing. He will not stop raising rates to fight inflation, he says. Very premature to think about pausing interest rate hikes. We're down 227 on the Dow, even 250 showing here now. 190 on NASDAQ, down 1.76%. The Dow has to drop 550 points to equal NASDAQ. NASDAQ down 193. The Dow now down looks like 265. It's what it looks like. We got all kinds of stuff going on here, kids. Interesting day going on. All righty. 278 now on Netflix, down 846. 219 on Tesla, down it goes, and they will go lower. Apple down 270. GameStop down to 27.50, 27.45. We touched 27.33. That's what's going on. U.S. yields spike higher. Stocks are at the low. This is what's happening. Interest rates are spiking up right now. The Treasury, the 10-year got to 3.99. Now it's at 4.05. It is climbing. German rates are climbing. UK looks like they're going as well. Stocks reverse directions are now across the board as Powell speaks. Did the Fed ruin holiday shopping with its red hike? You better not overspend, says the headlines. There's pressure out there. Pressure. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Bow bow do 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 do. Do 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 do. There's pressure. Under pressure. 211-point drop on the Dow at the moment. Alrighty, watching a lot of stuff here. Down $8 on Netflix, down $8.50 on Tesla. Apple down 320. GameStop 27.45 and falling again. Vacancy to unemployed rate unusually important now, apparently, says Powell. U.S. yields spike higher, stocks at lows. The market is at the low of the day right now. That is what's going on here. It may take some time to get inflation down, says Powell. It might take some time. I think a year to 2 years. That's what I think we got going on here. No need for the markets to hit highs right now. Oh, no, not again. Oh, my. Down 203 on the Dow. Yep. The 2-year yield is back up to 455. It got down to 440. It just reversed and went straight back up again. Interest rates are going higher, and they're going to continue to go higher. That is the indication coming right now from the Fed, chairman from the Fed. Okay. Let's see. Trying to keep up on this whole thingy here. The thingy and the thingy. I'll tell you that, guys. Oh, my. Tesla down 885, Apple down $3, GameStop down 94, SoFi down 63, Pfizer at down 78 to 47.23, Netflix down $8, Google down 149, Boeing is up 795, but it's backed off from its high of the day. Very premature to think about pausing interest rate hikes, says Powell. That's the line right there. That is the stab in the back right there for any bulls out there. The bull is getting stabbed again, and it's bleeding as it's running around the ring, unfortunately. Yes, there is no slowdown coming anytime soon. There's no backing off anytime soon. Must attack inflation. That is the game plan, and it is going to be done. The Fed has not changed their policy or their lingo, despite what you might hope they're going to say. They're not doing it. Most interesting. Thank you all for joining me here today. It's great to have you here. I hope you're finding it interesting. We're just, trying to watch paint dry in real time. GameStop jumped off a cliff. Deuce caboose. Whee! Oh, my goodness. Let's see what else is going on. Lame Duck is thumbs up 49. Thank you, Lame Duck. Appreciate that. The feds are ruining Christmas. And on top of that, the kids stole my candy bowl and all my Halloween Eve's candy's gone. Oh, no. This is terrible. This is just terrible. My mother mixes her meatloaf in that bowl. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. I need a cigarette, says Coyote. Bulls are dead, says Wing Commander. They're dead. Oh, my. Oh, my. Powell want wages to go up at a sustainable pace. Well, yeah, that's inflationary. I don't know if you know that, Mr. Powell, but that's inflationary. We're still off 148, 184 here. We're jumping around like crazy. We're down 39, down 43 on S&P, down 180 on NASDAQ. We've got Amazon down 278. We got Netflix down 760. Tesla down $9. Apple down 283. GameStop 27.25, falling again, down 114 a share. On the GameStop shares, GameStop 27.23, the low of the day here. I think we're in the low of the day territory yet again on GameStop. 27.21 low of the day, and we're right here at it. Very interesting how it is really jumping off here. It got up to 28. 61 at 25 minutes ago. from 28.61 to 27.28 in 35 minutes. Powell, we take global issues into account in our models. Have you noticed England is going to a 15% inflation rate, sir? Are you aware of that? There's no way you're cutting rates here. Not a chance. No way, Jose. I suspect your options are backing off in price, all of you GameStop option writers. I have a suspicion that might be going on out there. And Netflix down to 279, Tesla 218. Tesla contracts are backing off. Apple contracts are backing off. 147.82 on the stock. HPQ 27.41. Those contracts are dropping. And Pfizer down 66 cents to 47.35. Down go those contracts too. Cisco down 25 cents. Home Depot down 208 to 293.98. Look at that. Down we go. IBM down 18. Microsoft down 285. Google down 136. Adobe down $7. Oh my, 309 on Adobe. That is backing up. Absolutely backing up. How about that? Yeah, that's what I figure. This market is going to take a hit, and it's NASDAQ leading the way lower because those are where the highest PE multiple stocks live in the NASDAQ index. They're the ones who are going to take the biggest shot lower. That's all there is to it. They're going to get hit. What can I say? DQ saying, I left a note in the bowl saying I'd be back to give out candy and meatloaf in an hour. I come back, it's all gone. This is crazy. Cool beans. I'm participating in a training this week. Booked a slot between 12 and 4. What did I not realize? It was one of the U.S. time zones. What a tool. Oh, no. Rugman provides. Rugman taketh away. There it is. Wing Commander. The good news, I'm going to be awake for Brucey's prime time. Rugman to the rescue, says Alberto. Rugman. Wrote Google. Cover call strike 93, January 20 for 5:15. I'm crossing my arms. There you go. John Bickman. Thought SoFi would have a nice day or two before the bottom fell out. Missed my shot to right at the open after earnings. Brian, SoFi is 512. I think the market is flawed. It's 512, down 60. What can I say? The market is under pressure. Down 120 on the Dow. It's not like a disaster, but there sure isn't any upside here. We're down 35 on the S&P, down 154 on the NASDAQ. That's 1.48% lower, which is now almost 5 times what the Dow is doing. The Dow is at 126 negative. It should be down 550. The NASDAQ is down 165, and it's not coming back. Interesting stuff. Powell, the questions I'm sure are running out by now. They're going to be done real soon on the Q&A, and we'll see how this is going. But Rugman is the patron saint of farmers who slaughter pigs. A reverse split coming, says Deuce. John Bickman, Spire earnings 11.9. Prepare for delisting, laughing out loud. Oh, Deuce Caboose. Hey, John, haven't seen you in a while. Michael, Matterport will be renamed Matterport after earnings. Matterport. Okay. Another question coming in here to the chairman. We're down 127 on the Dow Jones right now. We're down 250 on Amazon, down 750 on Netflix, down 850 on Tesla, down 270 on Apple. GameStop at $27.19, down $1.20 on GameStop. $27.19, that is a new low on GameStop. A new low, $27.18, another new low on GameStop shares. Volume is 2.89 million. Dead in the water on volume. 27.18. Down goes the GameStop. Down go contracts. How about that? All those people who did rollovers on GameStop. Oh, they are so smart out there. Gotta say. Hello, old friend, says John Bickman. MK, at least Jay Powell is consistent with his message. That's right. DQ, Michael, I get back in the writer's room and don't care. Don't come on, you have something better. There you go. He's laughing. Michael, it was gold, Jerry. Gold, says DQ. Gold. Oh my gosh. Coyote, isn't it funny though? We're out here having fun while the market throws its guts up, can't hold their overpriced liquor. So sad. Zach, amateurs, rank amateurs. JD just going to start saying everything is transitory. FX, only 51 thumbs up. Come on, you guys, hit that thumbs up button for Bruce. Please do. We have 157 people here. It's only got 51 thumbs ups. Come on, you guys, hit the thumbs up button. Christian, tell me how the hell Credit Suisse is still green. Deuce, Coyote isn't having fun. It's currently puking from Coyote cigarettes. DQ, are we in phase 3 of a 5-phase plan? Coyote, Uncle Bruce, remember Monday writing on GameStop at 32 and selling my shares for profit? Thank you, mother of all short squeezes. Coyote, Deuce Caboose, you smoked the once laced with racine. Parabolic over $30. Laugh out loud. DQ. DQ thinks Deuce is talking in the third person again. Here we go. Jim Stevens, number 69 thumbs up. Bruce Bama, babe. Boy, this is when the market is fun. Down 89 on the Dow, 253 lower in Amazon, down 7 on Netflix. Tesla down 840, Apple down 280, GameStop down to 2734. And backing up. Alberto, a reverse split on what? A sell my house fast. Number 73, thumbs up. Bruce Gerard getting whiplash from looking at this chart. Boris, why not just rip the bandage off and increase the interest rate by 1.5 or 175? Why not just do it in one shot? Come on. Oh, my. GameStop, 2734. The low of the day, 2718. A dead cat bounce yet again. Oh my goodness gracious. Down 75 on the Dow, 33 on S&P, and NASDAQ down 156 times what the Dow was down. The Dow has to be down 550 to equal up. Unbelievable. What can I say? There are those who want the market to go up. They don't want it to go down. What can I say? Yep. Fun times out here. I'll tell you that right now. Goaty, Michael, the dude who said that played the apes like a fiddle. Michael sure did. Brian, Uncle Bruce, the bid price on my covered call I sold has been up to 7, and now it's 575. That is quite a drop in a day, and there'll be more coming. Isn't that something? Kind of wishing I wrote on SoFi yesterday, but I didn't because I trust Uncle B. But I don't believe him yet. Don't write on SoFi. Don't do it. Just sit back. Jim, is this rug, man? Coyote, laugh aloud. Could you imagine if they went 1 full point? Oh my gosh, chaos. Michael, and am I the only one who wrote on SoFi yesterday? Michael H. crying into my cash pile. Spicy Android, did you miss having a lamp in the back so bad you had to draw one? I have no idea what you're talking about. DQ, I am Rugman. You are Rugman. We are all Rugman. Bama Babe just shows how much liquidity is on the sidelines, just waiting for good news. Anything, please. Boris Gutty would have to have been better on the long term. They are just scared to rattle the market. Christina, well, it looks like SoFi will be on the short restriction tomorrow. How about that? Yeah, and Deuce, can we just change the subject? The Dow is up 25. It's got a little rally going here, a little computer rally program, I guess. It's up 25. Amazon still down 187. Netflix down 575. Tesla down 680. Apple down $2. GameStop 2741, down 98. That's what's going on. If we untighten, Powell says, risk is inflation entrenched. That's what we don't want. We don't want inflation to get entrenched. That's why we will not untighten. We will continue to tighten in quantitative easing, and rates will stay up and will likely go higher. There are no rate cuts coming anytime soon, kids. Don't be thinking about that. We're up now just 10 on the Dow. We're backing off again on the Dow. Interesting. 27.38 on GameStop right now. 27.37 on GameStop right now. Okay. Down 4 points on the Dow. We just went red again. Here we go. Okay. Man, oh man. What other comments here? Another beautiful day to keep your arms crossed. Thank you, Uncle B. Way to go, Constantine. Nice going. Deuce Caboose, how is ATIP looking? Deuce did buy a pair of cowboy boots today, and he doesn't own a horse. JR, I wrote on SoFi a while back, rolled and now up 57%, maybe sell time. Got to check the spreadsheet. Bama Babe, this was just a small glitch on the radar screen. Is that what that means? Christina, my Meta 95s are looking really good. Dude, Powell knows best. Goody Classic. Mini rug pattern forming on a 15-minute P chart. Coyote, that's my TA. You're welcome. DQ. Hopped off a plane at LAX with my boots and a SoFi vest. Coyote, Deuce Caboose, own a horse yet? I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm taking notes frantically. There you go. Down 30 on the Dow right now. Down 22 on S&P. We're down 122 on NASDAQ. There it is. Powell, we have a ways to go, ground to cover with rate hikes. We have a ways to go with rate hikes. Ooh, baby, we're going to go lower on the Dow. Oh, yes, we've got a ways to go yet on the rate hikes. 34-point drop on the Dow Jones right now. Who thinks GameStop's going to keep going down? Coyote, Deuce is a horseman now. There you go. He's an expert. Yes, GameStop 27.41 down 98 cents. Oh my. Netflix $280. Tesla $220. Down we go. Down we go. How about all that, kids? That's what's going on. Watching a whole bunch of stuff. The last hour is underway. 48 minutes left, and we're done for this day as selling keeps coming in here. NASDAQ down 125. No recovery here. Down 1.1%. Really, no real recovery happening here. 4/3 of Americans have trouble with fractions. Deuce, welcome to the land of fame excess. I am going to fit right in. DQ, 83% of all statistics are made up on the spot. John, Miley, is that you? Miley, is that you? Oh, geez. 27.34 down 105 on GameStop. Powell, pausing is not something we're thinking about. That's bad news. I don't know if you get that one. That's bad news. We're not thinking about pausing our rate increases. We're not thinking about that. It's not happening right now. We're down 45 on the Dow. Here we go. Consumer spending showing modest growth. We're not going to pause rate increases anytime soon. We're not even thinking that. We're not even discussing that. We're down 59 on the Dow now. Zzz. Here we go again. Another run. Oh, my. Another one. Oh, yes. Oh, gosh. Oh, folks, I'm hanging on here by a thread. Hope you are hanging in there, too. Boris from Queens, under pressure to Keelio, way down we go. Love it. Matthew, laughing out loud, talking about SoFi landing still. Deuce, why is Powell such a Richard? Just because, just tell us what you're doing and sit down. Coyote, Powell is like, we're in a recession and y'all talking about pause, about dogs and critters. Uncle Bruce putting in that overtime. Prime time tonight. Yes, 8 o'clock tonight, Eastern time. Prime time live. I'll be there. I'm going to get a nap in between this. That's what 136% of the people are thinking all the time here. DQ, I'm selling an NFT of the letters NFT on GameStop's NFT marketplace, Inception. The Dow off 77, backing up again. We're negative on the S&P. We're negative on NASDAQ, negative on Russell. We're going lower on these markets now. We're down 73, 100 points lower on the Dow. We're down 100. Powell says a soft landing is still possible, but the path has narrowed. Yeah, it's like the width of a pinhead. There's no way there's going to be a soft landing. It's going to be ugly. 27.23 to 25 on GameStop, down $1.14. Going lower on these markets, guys. Going lower. Uncle Bruce, do you have my email for the class? Dude face. Let's see. Yes, sir. I got it. I got you. Yep, you're good. Brian, Dude face, it's all going lower. There is also a very large swamp over 100 million shares. People are theorizing it's from Archiego's short position. Cloud 7, they are not thinking about easing rates now like they are not thinking about inflation a year ago. That's why we will always be reacting. Coyote put like a random moon on it or spaceship or some dumb monkey. They eat that nonsense up. Bobby Silver Lining SoFi had 90 million volume today. Coyote, Bon Voyage, Mon Ami, GameStop. DQ, Marco, are you accounting for multiple personalities? KC, number 89 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you for that. We're down 145 on the Dow. Again, we're backing off. 43 on S&P. NASDAQ down 178. We're going lower. Powell, no one knows if there's going to be a recession or not. Okay. Eddie says goodbye. He's done. He said, thank you, everybody. He's packing up his notes, leaving as the Dow is down 138. He's packing it up, and he's finished. And he's going to walk off the podium, and the Dow's off 179 and falling. S&P down 1.1%, NASDAQ down 1.57%, and the Dow down 0.41%, and actually worse than that is falling off now. The interest rates are getting higher, 4.56 on the 2-year, 4.05 on 10-year. Those are climbing, and that is what is happening here with this market. We are running into a negative movement here on this index. All of the indexes, we are running in the selling. 2704, new low on GameStop. 2701, new low on your GameStop shares. Going lower again. The Dow off 164, 2692, 2696. Another newer low on your GameStop shares. Down 135, 140, and falling. 2689, down 150 a share on GameStop. 2689 now, well under 27, down $1.50, going lower on GameStop right here and right now. Interesting stuff. Yep, GameStop going sub 27. There it is. I just sold 10 times GameStop 37.50s for this Friday at 109. Already bought back for 71 cents in 23 minutes. There you go. H. Gregory, I'm thumbs up number 90. Thank you all. Thank you, Rugman. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. My January 27 and a halves are now, they were 560 to now 475. I'm loving this, Bruce. Yeah, just cross those arms. Down she goes, 26.89, going lower. Going lower, going lower. Those 27.50s, my friend, are out of the money. They are worthless. They only have time value, and they're going to lose that too. How about that? Everyone, promise me you'll say your prayers to Rugman tonight before you set your hands for, get ready for bedtime. Rugman is going to be out there fighting for you. Here's Rugman doing what Rugman can do. Pulling the shag carpet cape out from underneath those bag holders out there. Yoink! How about that? You got to love the way Rugman operates. Coming soon to a coffee mug and a t-shirt near you. Rugman is coming. Just bear with us. We'll have them loaded up shortly. We're melting. 26.90. We're melting on GameStop. Wow. Constantine, my bet, 465. Dude, I can now say I am making as much in options fees as I do at my day job. How about that? They had a chance to get it, but they didn't want it. As Beach Boy, Uncle Bruce, you got my payment for the class, didn't you? Yes, kind of pre-ordered along with Alberto. Yes, you're in. You're in. You and Alberto are both in there. GameStop traded 24.25 last month. No problem. H. Gregory, love the comments. Michael, tell me that it isn't Jerome Powell without glasses. You think that's Jerome Powell? You think the Rugman looks like Jerome Powell? I hadn't thought of that. Take a look at Rugman. Does that look like Jerome Powell to you? It kind of does. You kind of think about that. It kind of looks like Jerome Powell without glasses. How about that, Rugman? Zzz, how about that? Oh, that's fun. That's cool. That rug really tied the room together. Zach, I wish I could option as fast as I draw. 2688, 2680. New low on GameStop, 2680 on GameStop. The Dow is down 222 to 225 now. We are moving lower. 2675 on GameStop, down a $1.64. We're going lower, kids. We're down 57 on S&P. We're down 210 on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is approaching a 2% drop now. The Dow is 0.66. The Dow has to drop by 3 times this much to equal NASDAQ sell. We should be down 660 on the Dow right now. We're down 221. Coyote has one word for everybody. Yoink! There you go. Zit says, dude. Boris, did one of you guys do the comic? It's amazing. It's going on coffee mugs. Rugman can't breathe right now. I can't believe I offered a bid for $2 ago on GameStop, says Coyote. Deuce Caboose, you can't say guys anymore. You can't say that. That's not allowed. Down 221 on the Dow Jones. Oh, my. Coming into selling here. Down 57 on the S&P, 1.5%. Down 231 on NASDAQ, 2.12%. We're going lower. 2679, 2671 on GameStop. Down 161 a share now on GameStop, hitting new lows. Zach is the artist. Zach is the one who made the artist. Boris, the artist, is Zach the legend. There you go. 250 Dow Jones drop. 250 now on the Dow. Amazon down 340. Netflix down 960 to 277. Tesla down 1030 to 217. Apple down 389 to 146. GameStop down 159 to 2680, 2679. SoFi 508. HPQ down 58 to 2728. We're going lower. Pfizer is down here at 2720, down 81. Cisco down 40 to 4506. Home Depot down 326 to 292.80. We've got IBM down 54 cents. We have Adobe down 10.22 to 305. Down go the big cap stocks. The NASDAQ is getting hit the worst, down 236, 2.18%. Brian, I just sent you a donation for class number 12, emailed you as well. Looking forward to learn about rollovers. Brian, we'll get you those. If you don't have the link already, I'll get you the link after the class, after this show. We'll take care of you. Get your classes today until Sunday night, because Monday they are going up to $150 a class. You can still get them for $100 each this last week. This is the last week, and next week, Mondays, they're selling at $150. So make your moves, everybody. DQ, Uncle Bruce, FYI, Nick S. is still having YouTube issues. He can watch, but he can't chat. And this has been a problem all day for him. I don't know what to make of it. I don't know what to tell him. I don't know how to fix it. I can't do a thing about it, and it drives me nuts. I know that Netflix is coming down, Nick, and you and I are right on the same page on where that's headed. Going lower. He wanted you to know. Thank you, DQ. Appreciate all that. Larry Titus, number 94, thumbs ups, right on. What do we got for time? 34 minutes to go, and then we close up for the day. Boris, Zach, well done. You rock. Gotta love this community which gathered around Uncle Bruce. Deuce Caboose, I don't know. Just want a beer. Bobby, my role from yesterday, book value, is being chipped away now. Look at that. DQ, even Larry Titus can't stop this bleeding. Alberto, BA, didn't get the memo. Boeing didn't get the memo. It's still up, but it is off from the highs. Boeing has backed off. Still up 636. They did get it up to 153.58, but now 149.55. So watch for that tomorrow, my friend. Do not be surprised. Pfizer down 82. Microsoft down 569. Google down 220. Adobe down 1085. Look at that. 277 drop on the Dow. Still a nothing burger on the drop. There's so much more to go. Amazon down 369, and Netflix down 1098 to 275. Tesla down 1118 to 216. Apple down 424. GameStop 2677. We're going lower on all this stuff, guys. We haven't even started yet. I have a six-pack ready, says Michael. ME finally went red. It fought it hard. Zach, we came for the stocks and stayed for the family. Stonk Puppet says, hello. Boris, inflation is hitting also Uncle Bruce's channels. Bobby, did you short Google, Nick? Google doesn't like that. Amy H. I've been practicing my bad timing skills this week. It's going pretty well. Michael, what's your get out bid on Netflix? Stonk Puppets LGB. Am I right? Initial XE. I am number 100 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you everybody for hitting those thumbs ups. We finally got 100 of them. 181 of you are here. Hit that thumbs up button for me. H. Gregory says, yoink. That's right. Those are the secret words. That is what Rugman is able to do. Pull the rug out from the bag holders. We have 105 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody. Really appreciate it. JD, I just picked a historical bad time to get into retail investing. Zach, Stonk Puppets. We don't say that here. Thanks. JD, early on, I really thought I was the bee's knees. Susan Shops about. Bruce, can't believe I'm asking. Can you say one more time how to sign up for the Saturday live class, please? Just go to right here. Head over to here. There is my PayPal link right there. It's down below. Send $150 US to that link right there, to my PayPal link. Once you've done that, send me an email right here at brucefarmer@hotmail.com. Tell me, Bruce, I just sent you $150 for the class. Here's my email address. Send me the link when we're ready to go live on Saturday morning, and we'll send you a link. About 15, 20 minutes before we go live, we'll start linking you guys in. And don't worry if it's not, if you don't get it with 10 minutes to go, chill. I'll get you. I've got more people coming to the class than we thought. So beautiful, everybody. Make a donation to PayPal, a link down below. The email is linked down below. And come on into the class, $150 US, and you're in. Love that. Thank you all for coming by and being part of this class. It's going to be great. Let's see. Can it be made only by PayPal? If you're in Canada, I think you can do an email transfer to that brucefarmer@hotmail.com, but it has to be the equivalent of 150 American dollars. Okay. Susan Shops about number 104. I started my 30 pack, says Richard. Closing bells are just going to sound like womp womp at 4 p.m. today. We got 32 minutes to go. Splair, howdy y'all. Zach, been perfecting bad timing for the last 2 weeks. Going smoothly, smashingly. JD, many of us got started in 2021. Tell us about bad timing to start your trading career. Coyote, but look at how good it's made us as writers. Splair, would anyone recommend to buy 100 GameStop at $26 to write still a call that is just in the money? Devil King, why is SoFi lost all of its gains and more? Laugh a lot. This is getting depressing. 504 on GameStop, on SoFi. Buys. That is a steal. Absolutely. DQ Splair, sell a cash secured put for GameStop, then write if you get a sign. DQ write a call. Bobby, in Canada, you can transfer CAD to US dollars in PayPal as well. Boris, Uncle Bruce was thinking more of a MasterCard payment living in the EU. I don't have anything like that, but you can go to, you might be able to go to PayPal on Google. You can Google it, and you can probably use your MasterCard on PayPal to make a donation to me. You probably could do it. You just have to check it out. Coyote Splair TV, I think we'll go lower, but I do like the 24.26 for buying that stock. Bobby, just make sure the receiver isn't in US dollars, something like that. Zach, Coyote going to play the sad trombones or the Price is Right loser sound. Boris, not a fan of PayPal. Vavish, number 112 on the thumbs up. The market got Jay Powell. We're down 361 on the Dow now. We're down 361. We're down 400 on the Dow, down 81 on S&P, down 315 on NASDAQ, 2663 on GameStop. That's a new low of the day range. We've touched 363. We're at it at the moment. The low of the day down 167. The Amazon down $4. Netflix down 12. Tesla down 11.5. Apple down 4.80. GameStop down to 26.63. Low of the day. DQ, you can use a credit card on PayPal to make a donation. You just have to have a PayPal account. Coyote, GameStop seems to not want to go below 124. GameStop even may change this time. We'll see a lot of resistance there. Aaron, time to buy back calls, or will this drop continue? I think we continue. I really do. We continue. No need to buy back. Splair, I think I just wait a little and look into 10 minutes where we are. Made at least 5 backs through shorting Netflix. Rock and roll. We're down 400 on the Dow Jones. That is a sell-off, and it's going to get worse. We're down 76 on S&P. We're down 298 on NASDAQ, 2.7% on NASDAQ. That is equal to the Dow being off about 1,000 points. We're only down 350, 380 on the Dow. We're nowhere near what NASDAQ is doing. It is really dropping. We need to see more of this. Let's see. I think I'll just wait a little buyback. Okay, let's see. PayPal saved me many times in my very poor day, says Coyote. Bobby, rolling red until to Friday. Boris, DQ, their terms and conditions are ridiculous. That's why I don't want to make an account with those guys. I see what you mean. And I'm not sure how else to do it. I don't have any other way to do this. That's all I've got. You can make no, if you make a thing through YouTube, that doesn't work for me either. Oh, I know what you can do. Can you make a donation on oh gosh, I'm so frenzied up right now. On Patreon. Can you do a Patreon donation on Patreon? Can you do that? I have a patron site. Where would that be, Bruce? Let's see if I've got this here. I've got this here. I got that there. If I go to there, Patreon. Hang on a second. Let's see if I can work this. Susan, you're in the class. I got your donation. You're in. Can I get it? Let's see. I think it's here. I think you can make a donation right here. I'm going to pop this up. Give me a second, everybody. Let me see if I can pop this up for you guys. You can do, if you want to make a donation for a class or a lesson without going through Patreon, you can do, without going through PayPal, you can go through Patreon. I can get you links that way. Here it is, Patreon link for donations here. And let's see if I can make this work. There it is there. I hope that comes through for you. If you make a Patreon donation there, then I can get access to the funds there, just like with PayPal. But I will then send you a link for your class. But still, send me a private email telling me you did this. Tell me you did make a donation to Patreon to me, and with your own email account to my email account, and I can then get you the links. Okay. Hope that isn't too complicated, but there's another way around it. Not using PayPal. All right. Okay, everybody. Let's see what else is happening here. Good afternoon, friends from Olivia. Thank you. BBBY going into sub 4. We're down 385 on the Dow. We're at 2681 on GameStop. We're down $4 on Amazon. We're down $12 on Netflix, down $11.40 on Tesla, down $4.60 on Apple. We're $26.75, down $1.60 on GameStop. Thought I could learn the option game by osmosis, says JD. Boris, I'll just get the recording. Well, you can always do that, but you got to buy it through PayPal. So if you send me a donation through Patreon, I'll get you the link for class 14 once it's available, but you can do that later. That's okay. No problem, says Boris. No problem. Patreon. Yes, Patreon. Okay. Let's see. Slayer, I can close now my Palantir call with a $20 gain and then close the Palantir stock with a $20 gain as well. Maybe if I do it and buy from that money later, Rocket Lab and 100 SoFi back. There you go. Just opened up the old brokerage account. Don't recommend it. Let's see. JD, SoFi getting close to 5. Yeah, 508. John's touchpad. I'm number 113. Stock markets of reverse. There's that thing for Patreon. Yeah, Patreon link. I misspelled it. That's Patreon link right there. Zach, everything red except ME. Can't lose when you sell drugs. Fool of a took. CYXT hit its 52-week low today, 237. My cost base is 889. Tempting to pick up some up, but I think it could go lower. Keeping this cash in my account is tough, though. JD, anybody? 118 on Robert Benson. Thumbs up, number 118. Thank you, Robert. Let's see what else is going on here. Let's see. Really, I saw a MasterCard payment option on your website. That's a Patreon. You can do that through Patreon. You can pay with a credit card through Patreon. Through PayPal. Through PayPal, you can do it. Sorry, I'm just all flustered here. It's just too crazy right now. Markets go up, happy people do drugs. Market go down, people sad, do drugs. ME to the moon. Okay. All right, we're down 379 on the market, 26.58 on GameStop. New lows of 26.56 on GameStop. We're down 181 now on the stock today. We're down 380 on the Dow. We're down 80 on S&P. NASDAQ down 305. Oil up 58 cents. That's what's going on. 26.67, 26.64 GameStop, 509 on SoFi. It is wild. It is a wild, wild day today. Definitely not a big up day today, for sure. Alrighty. There we go. Andre, gotcha. I gotcha. Right on. I gotcha. Right on. Through Patreon. Got it. Okay. Fantastic. Send me a private email now. Send me an email to my email address. That way I've got that link to you directly. Beautiful job. All righty. Beautiful job. Okay. I'm loving this. Fantastic. Everybody. Hang on a second. Got something else here. What is this? Looks like yeah, I've got something from Brian Ham. I've got something from you, but it's Canadian, it's not the equivalent of 150 US. You're going to have to make up the differential. I can send you, well, if you send me an email, I can send you a link and tell you how much later. Thank you, Brian. There it is. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what's going on. Never mind, Brian. I got it. Just transferred to you the 136 class number 12. It'll be on the way. No problem, Brian. It's okay. Never mind what I just said. We're fine. I'm not fine dropping my phone, but I'm fine with everything else. Oh my gosh, everybody. Thank you. Try to keep on top of all this. All right, guys, we'll get you looked after. Thank you for the 123 thumbs ups on this show, guys. Thank you very, very, very much. 26.69 on your GameStop right now. Okay. We've got Netflix at 274. It's coming down. Absolutely coming down. Marcus, I'm 122. Right on. Let's see. Susan Shopso, it's so happy to have seat in the class. Just want to be sure it also includes that I'll be able to watch the video of the class. Yes, you're going to get a video of the class after it's been edited and posted on the website. You'll get your own copy sent to you by yours truly. So that'll be sometime latter part of next week. Yep. So you get both your live and you get your edited copy later. Yep, you got it. Fantastic. Says DQ says the same thing. Brian, thanks, Bruce, for telling everybody my full name. Brian, what can I say? I know you're John Hamm's brother. It's all good. No problem. You're probably even better looking than John Hamm. So it's a curse, isn't it? It's a curse. What can I say? It's all right. Let's move on. Mirko, Susan, yes, you will. Credit Savage, if any of you folks don't write SoFi covered calls because you were thinking of it hitting 8 or more, do keep in mind that the bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Just stand by. Don't write now. Brian, DQ, after sports, they always say the ham has been cooked because my face is so red. Eric, well, Uncle Bruce, with all my gains pouring in, I may be able to get in on the Golden Bagel Club and buy all the classes before the prices go up. Maybe no more lurking. Oh, Eric, you're welcome to come in. Love to have you, buddy. Susan Shop's About just sent over 122 from a laptop. Okay, a DQ. Sorry, Brian, I was making a Simpsons reference for Coyote there. No worries, guys. We're down 370 on the Dow. We're down 80 on S&P. We're down 300 on NASDAQ. We have 19 minutes to go. All kinds of stuff going on. We're down about $4 on Amazon. Netflix is down about 12. Tesla's off to 1138. Apple down 450. GameStop 2677. We got SoFi at 508. HPQ down 80 cents to 2708. Down go those contracts. Rocket Lab 493 down 26. Moderna down 558 to 149. I know a guy that writes options on Moderna. ME down 6. Matterport down 26. ATIP down 4. SmartRent down 13. Spire down 12.9 cents to 136. Big day down on Spire so far. Sextera down 18. AMC and Ape are now down 50 cents as a combined unit. They're at 750. Bed Bath & Beyond down 33 cents. Pfizer down 91 to 47.10. Boeing falling, still up 513, but backing off. Cisco down 67 cents. Home Depot down 451. Carvana down 140. We got Vanik down. We're down 410, 411 on Vanik. IBM down 50. Microsoft down $6. Google down 251. Goldman down 187. We got Adobe down $12 to 304. Meta down 350. BlackBerry down 24 to 441. Royal Caribbean down $2. JP Morgan down 37, Target down 340, Costco down 1380, Walmart down 59, Nvidia $1.86 to the red, Disney down 325, American Airlines 1373 down 38 cents. Getting hit right now. The market is coming in. We are down to 17 minutes to go, down 360 on the Dow right now. Down go the markets, everybody. Let's see. John Bickman says that DRPA awards Spire contract to design a satellite. Initial XE, I expect Spire to drop even more after midterm. Susan Shop's About, I'm busy buying more SoFi stock, laughing all. Bruce, you better be sure to tell me when it's time to write. Got it. You got it. DQ. Hello, mRNA, my old friend. Gowdy, this reminds me of Kramer versus Kramer too. Zach, the entire Aurora Borealis at this time of year is in this part of the world localized completely in your kitchen. I have no idea what's going on here. John, Deuce, all spare change going towards Spire until it gets traction. Gowdy, Spire always winning contracts. John, maybe one day that will be the cause for the stock to go up. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce, given that we all agree the markets will go down even more, there's room for it to do so. What type of sell-off do we need from your experience? I'm thinking of a terrible $3,000 Dow drop day, 3,000 point Dow drop day, a bloodbath. It's possible. It could also be, though, that it'll be a sort of a grinding lower 400, 500, 600 a day all week long. Like it could be one of those 5, 6, 7 straight days. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. Anyway, there you have it. Look at those desperate bulls have resorted to shameful. All righty. Let me make a correction here. Thank you all so much for being here with us today. So appreciate you all here. We're going to go to member-only chat here for the next 15 minutes. Say goodbye to the trolls. Too much fun. This is why we have a private channel. Just try to stay away from the trolls, the stupid morons out there who just, can I say, offensive and depressing and sad, homeless, or maybe they're not homeless. They don't have their own place, so there's mom and dad in the basement and, doing what they're doing. Okay, we're members only now. Thank you, everybody. Please become a member and join this family. so we can avoid those stupid people. Thank you all. Thank you all. Oh my goodness, what a run we got going here. It's been a busy one, to say the least. It has been a busy show here, with lots of stuff going on the reaction to the entire Powell thingy. Absolutely amazing. Thank you again to those of you making donations to this channel. If you want to make a donation to us, you can use my Patreon link, which I keep forgetting about. I created that a long time ago. You can do a link to PayPal, which is down below. You can always do super chats to the channel. And thank you all for picking up classes. Those of you making one-on-one sessions with me, we're looking forward to those. We have only 2 left on Sunday now. We have one for 10 Eastern and 12 Eastern, 12 noon Eastern Sunday. Only 2 left to go. Third one is gone. We're at 26.76 on the GameStop, down 163. At the moment, we're down 375. Well, now 383 down, 383 on the Dow now. That is what's going on. Salesforce, Walt Disney share losses contribute to the Dow's nearly 375-point drop. That's what they're saying. Okay. Let's see what else is going on here. Susan Shops about any thoughts on tomorrow being another down day? I'm wondering if SoFi will drop more. Thoughts? Could SoFi go to the fourth? I don't know if SoFi will drop more, but I think that the markets could be lower. All of them could be lower tomorrow. How long are your classes usually? Eric, when I'm live with the folks in the audience, it's 2.5 hours ballpark. You can leave anytime you want. It doesn't matter. The edited class, when it's finally finished, 1:45 to 2:15, something like that. With this one, I don't know. Depends on how long it goes and how much we cover. Lots of questions will come in from the audience, I'm certain. So it'll be a pretty intense, good old intense, fun class. So you're welcome to join us if you like. Boris, Uncle Bruce, thanks for the Patreon alternative. Can you check if you received anything from Andrea B? Let's see here. Let's go. Let's see if I've got anything here. Here we go. Yep, got it. Yep, I have it, Andrea. I've got it. Send me a private email to brucefrommer@hotmail.com right here. Send it right to this address. Send me a private email about your donation on Patreon, and I'll get you linked into the class. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. That is down below. If you didn't have time to write that down, it's just down below in the link to this to my on my additional information. You can get it there. Send me an email. Nice stuff, everybody. Thank you all. Let's see. Okay, Tiff, I have a GameStop strike 25 expiring this Friday. Let's see if it expires out of the money. I'm crossing my arms. Up 26.70, only $1.70 away right now. Take care. I'll come back again. Thanks, John. Coyote, that was like 90 minutes, no trouble throw, Uncle Bruce. That was pretty good. The guys were awesome. Let's see, how much will the replay of the class cost? $150. The classes are going up to $150. The live class, you're either in it for $150 or you can get it later. Like all the other classes, they're going up to $150 each. This is the last week that all the classes I have are available at $150. At $100, starting Monday, they're $150. They're going up for the first time ever. And those of you who are picking up these classes this week and until Sunday night, you can still get them for $100 each. But class 14, no matter how you cut it, will be $150. Brian, John, didn't John used to be a member? I think he did. Hopefully he's coming back. Bobby, the tinfoil hat, an unbreakable support at 5 for SoFi. Coyote, until that bull lost 100% on his SPY calls, he has resorted to luring us into some pervert dungeon. Fool of a tool. Tiff, I have 25s too, but they don't expire until 11/25. I have a feeling we will go lower. Bobby, Uncle Bruce, the alert out for this Saturday. Does it come by YouTube or email? I will send you an email if you've sent me an email. It won't come out through YouTube. It'll come out through email. Let me know, everybody. Send me your email address if you haven't already. Most of you have. Go to SoFi was in the fours not that long ago. Michael, someone earlier today spent $30 million on Apple puts. I bet they're killing it right now. LL, number 131. Thank you for these 131 thumbs ups. Coyote Michael, geez, could you just imagine? Tiff, why would you gamble 31? Just keep the money and enjoy the rest of your life. Geez. DQ, Tiff, I'm sure it was a hedge fund. Michael, probably. Or Nick. They don't specify who did it, CPI data next week also. Okay, we'll do. Sorry for stressing you out early. Not a problem, Boris. It's fine. It's okay. We'll figure it out, everybody. It's not a big deal. It's all good. We're down 450 on the Dow now with 9 minutes to go. We're down 450 on the Dow Jones. We're down 450 on Amazon. $13 drop on Netflix to 273. Tesla 215 down 12 bucks. Apple down 538 to 145. GameStop 26.54 new low right now on GameStop. 26.54 new low on GameStop. 26.52 now. Another drop. We're going lower on GameStop, down 187. Fool of a tool. Bruce, in your experience, does anticipation for Black Friday affect retail stocks? Is there usually a run up beforehand, market corrections based on how well the day goes? Nope. Black Fridays generally don't affect the Dow. Not really. No. Splitter. Okay, I've got it now. 200 GameStop. Woohoo! Thinking of writing on March 17, $26 call to get the $6.50 premium before it drops even more. There you go. Make that happen. Bring in that money. Splitter, nice going, TV. Nice going, buddy. Zach, jobs report on Friday as well. Rugman the hits just keep on coming. Splitter, yep. Palantir wasn't necessary. Only mad that I made less than $10 on 100 SoFi. DQ, if Netflix hits 270, I'm out. DQ says, Mirko, TV, don't know if it'll go that far up. Ain't there any nice calls for December or January? You could take a look at those. Fool of a tool. Gotcha. Thanks, Bruce. We're down 500 on the Dow now. We're down 500. 90 on S&P, 345 on NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is off more than double the Dow. The Dow should be off over 1,100 points. It's not even as bad as the NASDAQ, not even half as bad as NASDAQ. And it's down 500 points. That is what's going on here. All righty. 26.51, the low of the day on GameStop today. 26.50. 26.50 has been the low now on GameStop today. We're down 460 on Amazon. We're down 1360 to 273 on Netflix, and still falling. Tesla down 1250 to 215. Apple down 551 to 145. We're going lower on these markets, guys. We're going to go lower. This is where my pig brain says, lower your stink bid. Oh, back off. Absolutely. Deuce, SoFi, 100 million traded down 12% yesterday, 150 million up 4%. Deuce quits. What's going on here, Coyote? They fall faster than they go up. That's what I keep telling you. They can fall faster than rising on less volume. All stocks, all markets, everything can fall faster. Pigs get slaughtered, says DQ. There you go. All righty. Mr. Premium of the option, just adjust all stinkers to be even stinkier. You got to see how disrespectful they are, though, or desperate. You got to see how desperate they are, though. We're going lower tomorrow. I don't think we have an up day tomorrow at all. I think we have a worse day tomorrow. Worse than this. We're down 505. This is a nothing burger. This is a nothing burger day. We were up 800 on Friday. We're going lower. Oh, are we going lower? Let's see what happens. Down 14 bucks on Netflix here. 6 minutes to go. It's coming in. Stock is coming in. Down goes the markets. Lower and lower. That's what I'm saying. 506 on SoFi. What a bargoon. HPQ down 82 cents. Oh my gosh. And what else have we got here? IBM down 124. Pfizer down $1 to 47 bucks even. I wonder who writes Pfizer options. Those option writers on Pfizer are pretty smart people. They fold their arms, they reach out for some advice, and then they just relax and watch it happen. Oh my gosh, look at the Boeing up only $3.99, falling off. Cisco down 77. Look at that. IBM down 123, Microsoft down 735, Google down 325, Adobe down 1448. Look at that Adobe crap out, down to 301. It's going under 300 here. Oh, what a day. High of 318.80 down to 301 and falling on Adobe. Oh, the option writers on Adobe are so smart. Meta down 430. How about all these backing off of stocks? Oh my gosh. You got to love this, kids. Easy money when the markets fall, and they fall fast. Very fast. Okay. Let's see what's going on. DQ, Uncle Bruce, my average on Netflix short is $283. Ride or covered. You're down to 270 and you're going lower. Ride the market. Ride profits, buddy. You're going to get richer now. Let it pay you for all the pain and suffering. This is nice. I don't want to hold it until it's expiring. 25, 50% gain and writing again. I'm already fine for me, but at least when I have a 500 in cash per month more, it makes a huge difference. Doesn't it just? Swear, you're coming around, buddy. JJ, stairs up, elevator down. DQ, Tiff, no, I killed that part of my brain with alcohol long ago, says DQ. That explains a lot, says Tiff. Mirko, 4 minutes to go. DQ, my average is 279. I have buybacks around 260 and 240. That's where I'm looking to buy this back. Buybacks at 260, 240 on Netflix. Who cares? Uncle Bruce, great stink bid story. Buying back my IBM calls. I set a full $2 under the bid and folded my arms. Just hit. Got him. How about that? How about that? That's getting hit cheap. Nice. Nice. Way to go. Who cares? Way to go. Keep writing, though. Write another one. Write again. Just ahead of the market. Get more money in. Bring in more cash. Absolutely bring in more money. Beautiful stuff. Amazon down 4.5, 273 on Netflix, 215 on Tesla. Down they go. Let them drop, kids. Let it drop. Don't get in the way of this market right now. 26.69 on GameStop. Low of the day, 26.50. We got 3 minutes left in the day. Beautiful stuff, Cody. I feel like we'll go lower, but I'm tempted to close out some covered calls, but I would certainly write again ASAP. If you're covering anything, you've got to rewrite immediately. I wouldn't do it right now. I just let this market get worse. It's going to be an ugly night tonight, and there are going to be margin calls going out tomorrow, and Europe is going to follow this, and we'll have a down opening tomorrow. I'm certain. If there's a dead cat bounce in the first half hour, that's it. Then it's going lower. Down we go. Isn't it weird that VIX, the VIX is well below 30, currently at 25.60. DQ, catch those knives. Boris, PS, also sent you the email. Thank you, Agodi. I'm fine with that, too. I'm fine with this. We are getting ready to hit the bells. 2 minutes away from the end of this day. What a run here, down 470 or so. Yeah, we had a sell-off come through here. Absolutely, and there's more coming, kids. This is nothing. Nothing. This is absolutely nothing. We are going to give up some of these 3-week gains we've been getting here. Mark my words. Bargoons have not yet shown up. There are bargoons coming to you guys sitting on cash. So who cares? So wait for writing IBM until tomorrow. It's going to try to get it under the wire. You can take a look at it tomorrow. Maybe you get a little pop. You'll pop it off. Up to you, my friend, because time is running out. Good stuff. Nice getting hit there. Nice hit on that stink bid. That's beautiful. Stink offers tomorrow morning might be the way to go on IBM. Fantastic, everybody. We're down to the final minute here. Oh, my gosh. What a run we've had today. We were up 360 at the high, so we've given up 830 points on the Dow Jones from the high to the low, or to where we are now. We've already been lower than this already. Isn't that amazing? Mr. Premium does the dead cat bounce turn into a dead cat splat? We've got to go down a long way from here. We are nowhere near the end. We're down 504 now in the last minute on the Dow. 26.62 on GameStop, backing off again at the last of it. Coming in. Who cares? Yeah. Regroup tomorrow. Need to stare at option chains in the morning. Larry, thank you for ringing the bells, Larry. Zach is clapping. DQ, thank you, Larry. The bells are being rung. Everyone, well done, everybody. Way to hang in there. Don't let that market worry you. Don't fear the upside. Just don't fear. There is nothing to fear at all. Nothing to fear whatsoever. Nothing done, says DQ. Womp womp, says Coyote. 506 drop on the Dow Jones today. Amazon down 467, Netflix down 1375, Tesla down 1284, Apple down 562, GameStop 2661 down 178. Oh yeah, we saw some drops today. 512 on SoFi, a little tiny bounce back at the end. HPQ down 86, Rocket Lab down 31, Moderna down $6. ME down 9 cents, Matterport down 31, ATIP down 2, SmartRent down 16, Spire down 15 today. We've got Sextera down 23 cents. That AMC Ape combination down 52 cents. Bed Bath Beyond down 37 cents. Pfizer down 95 to 47.06. Boeing only gained 3.93. It was up a lot more than that today. Cisco down 89 cents. Home Depot down 7.15 to 288.91. Here we go. Carvana down 182. Robinhood down 52. Vanik down 546. IBM 130 lower. Microsoft down $8. Goldman only a 179 gain. Google down 343. Adobe down 1480 to 301.20. Meta down 466. BlackBerry down 26. Royal Caribbean down 235. What a day today. Costco down $16.45. And NVIDIA down 324. Disney down 417. American Airlines down 53 cents. Down go the markets, folks. So it could be more tomorrow to add to this. We have had 3 good weeks. Today was the first definite pullback after the interest rate policy was announced as expected. Interesting. Jody, I was too excited to sleep much last night. I think that will happen again tonight. Can't wait for the opening. If I flip the chart 180 degrees, it looks like we had a huge drop this morning and climbed back out all day. Apple under 145, says Michael. Crazy day. Splair, I think I'm happy with my 2 calls, and I made already through 1 month $350 with my first call. That's more than 10%. Nice going. You brought that money in there. Way to go. What a day, says Coyote. I'm closing the day with a headache, says Flair. Who cares, says, all right, folks, need to wrap up the day job. Looking forward to see the madness tomorrow. Have a good one. Zach, later, who cares? Well done today, everybody. Well done, all of you, indeed. We will be busy tomorrow, Thursday. Tonight, 8 o'clock, prime time. Join me. Prime time live with Uncle Bruce as a Gold Bagel member. Come on over. See me at 8 o'clock tonight. And we'll go over the day and what can happen tomorrow and all kinds of stuff. And look forward to seeing you at 8 o'clock tonight. Prime time with Uncle Bruce. Thank you, everybody. DQ, to be fair, the interest rate hike resulted in lots of buying. It wasn't until J. Rugman Powell talked that selling came in there. I'm wishing you all already an enjoyable good night because of the 1 hour time delay. I probably will stay a half an hour for the full one in prime time. Michael Yoink, Deuce Caboose, exactly what a tool. John Anderson, thanks everybody. Michael, bear with me, a beer with me, Bruce, a beer with me. Guys, have a good one. All take care. And I will see you at 8 o'clock this evening, Eastern time. Thank you for those of you who are picking up classes while they're still $100 each. Thank you for those registering for the class this Saturday at $150, which also gives you a copy of the video of the class. You'll get that as well. Thank you all for your out and out donations, becoming members of this channel, and subscribing. Again, all of you for the thumbs ups as well. I almost forgot that. Today, 144 thumbs ups for the afternoon show. One of the best levels in quite some time. 145 now, coming in 146. Thank you, guys. Hit that thumbs up for me. And I really appreciate it. It helps the channel get a little more exposure. And that's what we're looking for. Let people know what we do around here and have them join the party. 147 thumbs ups are in. 148 are in. They're coming through. Thank you all. And we'll see you tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern. 150 thumbs ups. Look at that. 152. Oh, this is great. I'll see you at 8 o'clock Eastern tonight on this show. On this channel for Gold Bagel members. Thank you all so much for all of that. All right. Yes, Boris, can I use it for the classes? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. If you want to buy any of the $100 classes, send me a Patreon donation and a private email behind that. Tell me what classes you want. So if you want 1 or 3 or 7 or 8 of them, whatever number, at 100 a piece, just tell me how many of them, which ones you want me to send you. I'll double check that the Patreon is in, and away we go. Okay. Yes, we'll take care of you. No problem at all. Thank you, guys. Neat, everybody. Fantastic. What a day today, and it isn't over. I'll see you at 8 o'clock tonight. Grazie, Danka, and thank you. You're bitter. You're very welcome. Thank you, Boris. Everybody, have a great rest of the afternoon. I'll see you tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern if you dare show up. Otherwise, tomorrow morning, first thing we'll be by for the Trade Alert show for Gold Bagel members, and then 8:30 Eastern, we'll start this one rolling. Thumbs ups now, 155. Thank you so much for those thumbs ups today. That was absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, catch you later all. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.